Good morning, my dear kids and parents. Hope you all are doing very well at your home. So this video is related to the revision of your maths subject of your book 7. Okay. So in the next slide on page number 5, the topic was number 37. So you came to know how to count, trace and write the number 37. So practice that very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 10, the topic was ordering. Okay. So some pictures, मतलब pictures दिया था, group of pictures. You have to identify and you have to color the box which was like from small to big है या big to small है, वो identify करके आपको color करना था. So I know that you have done it very well. So identify है ना, group identification, small है या big है या small से big है, big to small है, right? So practice that very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 12, the topic was number 38. So you came to know to count, trace and write number 38. So practice that also very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 15, descending order 1. So arranging the numbers from big to small, that is called descending order, right? Yes. So practice that also very well. Okay. In the next slide on page number 18, you came to know the topic that is number 39. So counting, tracing and writing. So practice that also very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 27, the topic is number 40. So you came to know to count, trace and write the number 40. So practice that also very well. In the next slide on page number 29, the topic is missing numbers 6. So missing number में आपको क्या a set of numbers दिया था, उसमें से एक दो number missing था. So you identified that number and you wrote that in that box. Okay, so practice that topic very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 30, the topic was count and write 4. You came to know to count, है ना? Set of bunch of grapes that grapes were given, so you count that grape and you counted na, yes, and after that you wrote that number, that how many grapes you got, right? Yes. So practice the counting part. Okay. Yes. The next slide on page number 36, the topic was number 41. So again counting, tracing and writing of number 41. So practice that very well. In the next slide on page number 39, descending order 2. Okay, descending order. So again arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So practice that also very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 41, readiness skill 1. Okay, इसमें भी identification. For example, आपको tree दिया है first, उसके right side में आपको बहुत सारे images, group of images दिया था. उसमें second जो है वो है root के जैसे एक छोटा सा plant, leaf और पानी. एक ओके, सो ट्री अगर बनना है तो ट्री के पहले का जो स्टेजेस यही होगा ना, एक छोटा सा पौधा, उसमें से लीव्स आएंगे, हम ज़्यादा पानी वगैरह देंगे तो वो एक ट्री बनता है. सो ऐसे यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द रिलेशन बिटवीन द इमेजेस एंड देन यू हैव टू match it, right? Yes. So you have done that also very well. Okay. Yes. So practice that also very well. Identification. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 42, the topic was number 42. Okay, so counting, tracing and writing of number 42. So practice that also very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 47, you came to know the topic that is 43, number 43. So counting, tracing and writing of number 43. Right? Yes. So practice that also very well. Okay. And in the next slide on page number 52, the topic was number 1. You came to know the number name of number 1, that is ONE1, right? Yes. So writing of this number name, tracing, अच्छे से practice करना, right? Yes. In the next slide on page number 54, you came to know the descending order 3. Again arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Okay, so practice that very well. Okay, and in the next slide page number 56, the topic was number 44. So you came to know the counting, tracing and writing of number 44, right? So while writing the numbers, ध्यान रखना कि बॉक्स में बराबर लिखेंगे, ट्रेसिंग ऑन द डॉट्स. ओके, डॉट के ऊपर ही आपको करना है और बॉक्स में जब लिखेंगे तो बॉक्स के अंदर बराबर लिखना, राइट? यस. एंड काउंटिंग ऑल्सो. सो आई होप आप अच्छे से आपके असेसमेंट के लिए तैयारी करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस वॉज रिविजन रिलेटेड टू द बुक नंबर 7. ओके, सो बुक 7 का अच्छे से आप रिवाइज करना असेसमेंट के लिए. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. ओके. यस. सो थैंक यू सो मच. मेरे किड्स एंड पेरेंट्स, स्टे सेफ एट होम.